In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present in Canva. If you've finished designing your slides and you're ready to share them with an audience, Canva makes it simple to go live or prep a recording, all from the same place. I'll walk you through where to start, what each presentation mode does, and how to choose the one that fits your situation so you can present with confidence. Begin by opening your project in Canva. Once your design is loaded, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a Present button with a small presentation icon next to it. This is your control center for going on screen. Click that button to open your presentation options. You'll notice a few different modes available there. The idea is straightforward. You pick the mode that matches how you plan to deliver your content, and then you start presenting. Let's quickly make sense of each mode so you know what to expect. Present full screen is the classic option for live presenting. Your slides fill the entire screen, so your audience sees only your content, clean and distraction-free. Presenter view is designed for speakers who want a little extra support. It opens a view where you can see your notes and upcoming slides, while your audience only sees the full screen presentation. This is great for staying on script without breaking eye contact. Present and record is ideal when you need a polished video version of your talk. It allows you to record yourself presenting your slides, combining visuals with your voice, and, if you prefer, your camera, so you can share a link or file later. Finally, autoplay runs your slides automatically. It's useful for unattended displays or looping content at events because it advances through the deck on its own at a steady pace. Once you've looked at the options, choose the mode that matches your needs and click Present to begin. That's all there is to it. A few simple reminders as you get ready. Make sure your slides look good at full size, keep any private items off your screen before you begin, and preview the mode you plan to use so you're comfortable with what your audience will see. If you're preparing a recording, a quick sound and lighting check can make a big difference. And if you're presenting live, take a moment to verify that any videos or animations in your deck play the way you expect. With that, you're ready to present in Canva. Open your project, click Present, pick your mode, and you're good to go.